YouTubeness, Big Edster. Woo! What's up today? Today's the 10th. And you know what is the 10th? It's the day after the 9th and before the 11th. It's also the Pro Street group build. Woo, woo, woo! And, hey, I've been away for a while. Work has been overwhelming. I apologize for the long hiatus. But anywho, what you see in front of you, I know there's 4 doors. But anyway, I think it's going to be cool to do a Pro Street out of this. 1970 Ford Galaxie 4-door Pro Street. This is my entry into Dillon's Pro Street group build at New York State Modelers. All right, guys, gals, this is Big Edster. Updates coming soon. Soon. All right, peace.